And you'll see here, one says NS and one says OS on it. That's actually an O. But I'll flip them over and show you closer. But NS goes on the near side is what the British call it, I guess. The near side, which would be the near side of the curb. O side is the opposite side or other side of the near side. And the difference is that the OS actually has more of a bow in it, and the NS has less of a bow in it. Because this is the way that I'm basically saying it, is that OS goes on the driver's side. NS goes on the passenger side. So I'll flip them over and I'll show you the difference in height. Okay, I got them flipped over and they're laying on the ground equally put or whatever. So OS, I marked it with a Sharpie, but nobody's going to see it anyways. It's underneath the plate that's going to be there. So OS is this one and NS is this one, which, like I said, OS is driver's side, NS is passenger side. So let me show you. If you look right here, see how the OS is taller than the NS? If I take it like this, I'll take a straight edge. I'll lay it across this one. You can see how there are different heights? That's how you know you got yourself some quality springs, and hopefully you won't get that lean to the driver's side like I mentioned. But just remember, the OS is the driver's side, left hand or right hand drive, it doesn't really matter. OS is the driver's side, NS is the passenger side. So that's kind of the difference, and that's one thing you want to look for whenever you're buying parabolic springs, which are not the same as your standard springs, which is just a stack of plates. This one's to it. So the reason why is that when the driver's in there all the time, it doesn't get that lean, the driver's side lean, which they call the bachelor lean, because if you're in a car all the time by yourself all the time, you're a bachelor, in quotes. So that's why they call it the bachelor lean. So since GB Springs and Land Rover originally made them that have a left side and a right side, or driver's side, passenger side. So it's when you go to buy parabolic springs like this, make sure you order good quality ones so you don't get that. Because if you just buy Britpart ones, they don't do left and rights. They just make 2 rears, 2 fronts, and that's it. So after a period of time, you're going to get that lean. So let me...